Hello everyone, is your clutch pedal feeling weird or does your engine stall unexpectedly? If your OBD-II scanner shows P0704, clutch switch input circuit malfunction, it means there's an issue with the clutch switch circuit, which can affect the starting system and even impact shifting in manual transmissions. In this video, I'll explain what P0704 means, its symptoms, and most importantly, where to find the affected sensors and components. Let's get started. What is P0704? The P0704 trouble code stands for Clutch Switch Input Circuit Malfunction. Your car's Powertrain Control Module, PCM, monitors the clutch switch signal to ensure proper operation. This switch is responsible for allowing the car to start only when the clutch is fully pressed, in manual transmissions. If the PCM detects an abnormal or missing signal from this switch, it triggers P0704. Warning: a faulty clutch switch can cause starting issues, erratic idling, or even prevent the cruise control from disengaging. Common symptoms of P0704: check engine light on car won't start, no crank issue, engine stalling while driving, cruise control not working, clutch pedal feels loose or unresponsive. If you notice these problems, it's time to locate and inspect the affected components. Sensor and component locations. Where to find them? To diagnose P0704, check these key clutch and PCM-related components. Clutch pedal position switch, clutch safety switch. Location: mounted on the clutch pedal assembly, near the firewall under the dashboard. Function: detects clutch pedal position and signals the PCM to allow engine start. Clutch interlock relay location: fuse and relay box usually under the dashboard or near the battery. Function: controls power flow to the starter when the clutch is pressed. PCM, Powertrain Control Module. Location: usually mounted in the engine bay or under the dashboard. Function: receives signals from the clutch switch and controls starting and cruise control functions. Wiring harness and connectors location: runs between the clutch switch, PCM, and starter circuit. Function: transmits signals for starting and disengaging cruise control. Starter motor and solenoid location: attached to the engine block near the flywheel or transmission housing. Function: engages when the clutch switch sends the correct signal. Common causes of P0704: faulty clutch pedal position switch. If the switch doesn't send the correct signal, the car may not start. Damaged or loose wiring. Broken, corroded, or disconnected wires in the clutch switch circuit can trigger P0704, bad clutch interlock relay. If the relay fails, the signal won't reach the starter. Faulty PCM rare. The PCM might misinterpret clutch switch signals. Mechanical issues with the clutch pedal. A loose or worn clutch pedal mechanism may prevent proper switch operation. How to fix P0704. Step 1. Check the clutch switch. Press the clutch and see if the engine starts. If not, inspect the switch for wear or damage. Step 2. Test the clutch switch with a multimeter. If there's no continuity when the pedal is pressed, replace the switch. Step 3. Inspect the wiring and connectors. Look for corroded, frayed, or disconnected wires between the switch and PCM. Step 4. Check the clutch interlock relay. Swap the relay with a similar one to test if it's faulty. Step 5. Inspect the starter motor. If the clutch switch is working, but the car still won't start, test the starter motor and solenoid. Step 6. Reset the PCM and test drive. Clear the code with an OBD-II scanner and see if the problem is resolved. Ignoring P0704 can lead to starting issues, unexpected stalling, or even a dangerous cruise control malfunction. Fixing it early can save you from getting stranded. For more car repair tips, check out these videos. P0660, intake, manifold tuning, valve control circuit open, bank 1, P0661, intake manifold tuning valve control circuit low, bank 1. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.